Hello, good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I am showing to a interesting, small, important topic that says how to set in the domain value in your data. Okay, suppose you have to create in a domain in separate value. So how to set the domain in your attribute field. Okay, so at first I have to showing in a sample data. I have open in a sample data in QGIS software. You have set in start, but I am showing in a sample data. So at first you have to open in the vector data. If anything point line polygon, okay, I have open in the line data. So at first I have to open in the line properties. Okay, then you have go to the attribute form. Okay, you have to here in the attribute form. Then which attribute field set in the domain value. Okay, I have to set in the domain value in lens. Okay, so at first you have to select in the field which field you have to set in the domain value. So I have selected the lens. Okay, so then you have to go to in the visit type. Okay, here is the option in the drop down. You have to click. Then you have to click in the value map. Okay, and when you have to select in the value map, here is the open in the combo box with prefix item value stored in the attribute. Describe is shown in the combo box. Okay, so you have to put it in a value and description. Okay, so I put it in the only value in two column. You have to put it in value or description. Okay, so at first I have anything put it in value.